सो आज की वीडियो में हम करेंगे 50 एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज। फर्स्ट है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी? फर्स्ट हार्ट, सेकंड लीवर, थर्ड ब्रेन, फोर्थ स्किन। राइट आंसर इज स्किन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the primary function of red blood cells erythrocytes? A, immune defense, B, oxygen transport, C, hormone production, D, digestion. Right answer is B, oxygen transport. Third question, which of the following hormones is produced by the thyroid gland and regulates metabolism? A, insulin, B, estrogen, C, thyroxine T4, D, adrenal. Right answer is C, thyroxine T4. Fourth question, what is the primary function of the alveoli in the lungs? A, oxygen exchange, B, filtration of air, C, voice production, D, food digestion. Right answer is A, oxygen exchange. Fifth question, which of the following is not a primary tissue type in the human body? A, epithelial, B, connective, C, muscular, D, neuronal. Right answer is D, neuronal. Sixth question, what part of the brain is responsible for regulating basic bodily functions like breathing and heart rate? Option A, cerebrum, B, cerebellum, C, medulla oblongata, D, hypothalamus. Right answer is C, medulla oblongata. Seventh question, what is the main function of urinary system? A, blood circulation, B, digestion, C, excretion of waste products, D, sensory perception. Right answer is C, excretion of waste product. Question 8, which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar level in the human body? A, insulin, B, estrogen, C, testosterone, D, thyroxine. Right answer is A, insulin. Ninth question, what part of the digestive system is responsible for absorption most nutrients from foods? A, stomach, B, small intestine, C, large intestine, D, esophagus. Right answer is small intestine, B. Tenth question, what is the primary function of the lymphatic system? A, transport of oxygen, B, immune defense, C, digestion of food, D, regulation of body temperature. Right answer is B, immune defense. 11th question, which gland is often referred to as the master gland because it controls many other endocrine glands in the body? A, thyroid gland, B, adrenal gland, C, pituitary gland, D, pancreas. Right answer is C, pituitary gland. 12th question, what is the primary function of the spleen in the human body? A, blood filtration, B, digestion, C, hormone production, D, muscles contraction. Right answer is A, blood filtration. 13 question, which part of the human eyes is responsible for bending and focusing light onto the retina? A. Cornea, B. Lens, C. Retina, D. Sclera. Right answer is B. Lens. 14. Question. What is the primary function of the skeletal system? A. Blood circulation, B. Movement, C. Digestion, D. Vision. Right answer is B. Movement. 15. Question. What is the main function of the respiratory system? A. Blood filtration, B. Food digestion, C. Gas exchange, D. Muscle coordination. Right answer is C. Gas exchange. 16. Question. Which type of muscle is under voluntary control? A. Cardiac muscle, B. Smooth muscle, C. Skeletal muscle, D. Involuntary muscle. Right answer is C. Skeletal muscle. 17. Question. What is the function of white blood cells leukocytes in the human body? A. Oxygen transport, B. Immune defense, C. Digestion of food, D. Blood clotting. Right answer is B. Immune defense. 18. Question. Which of the following is not a component of the circulatory system? A. Heart, B. Blood vessel, C. Lungs, D. Blood. Right answer is C. Lungs. 19. Question. What is the function of the pancreas in the human body? A. Regulation of blood sugar, B. Oxygen transport, C. Immune defense, D. Muscle contraction. Right answer is A. Regulation of blood sugar. 20. Question. What is the primary function of the adrenal gland? A. Regulation of metabolism, B. Blood filtration, C. Fight or flight response, D. Temperature regulation. Right answer is C. Fight or flight response. 21. Question. Which of the following organs is not part of the digestive system? A. Liver, B. Lungs, C. Stomach, D. Small intestine. Right answer is B. Lungs. 22. Question. What is the primary function of the esophagus in the human body? Digestion of food, transport of air, transport of food from mouth to stomach, D. Immune defense. Right answer is C. Transport of food from the mouth to stomach. 23. Question. Which of the following is a hormone responsible for the regulation of sleep-wake cycles? A. Insulin, B. Melatonin, C. Thyroxine, D. Estrogen. Right answer is B. Melatonin. 24. Question. What is the primary function of the gallbladder? A. Digestion of carbohydrates, B. Storage of bile, C. Blood filtration, D. Immune defense. Right answer is B. Storage of bile. 25. Question. Which of the following is a part of the central nervous system (CNS)? A. Spinal cord, B. Peripheral nerves, C. Somatic nervous system, D. Autonomic nervous system. Right answer is A. Spinal cord. 26. Question. What is the function of the epiglottis in the human body? A. Regulation of body temperature. B. Protection of the trachea during swelling. C. Production of gastric juices. D. Vision. Right answer is B. Protection of the trachea during swallowing. 27. Question. Which of the following is not a part of the male reproductive system? A. Testes. B. Prostate gland. C. Uterus. D. Epididymis. Right answer is C. Uterus. 28. Question. What is the primary function of the hypothalamus in the human body? A. Regulation of blood sugar levels. B. Control of body temperature. C. Regulation of heart rate. D. Storage of nutrients. Right answer is B. Control of body temperature. 29. Question. Which of the following is not a function of the large intestine colon? A. Nutrient absorption. B. Water absorption. C. Formation of feces. D. Storage of undigested waste. Right answer is A. Nutrients absorption. 30. Question. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach and intestines? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Smooth muscle. D. Voluntary muscle. Right answer is C. Smooth muscles. 31. Question. What part of the human ear is responsible for transmitting sound vibration to the inner ear? A. Eardrum tympanic membrane. B. Cocci. C. Vestibule. D. Auditory canal. Right answer is A. Eardrum tympanic membrane. 32. Question. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? A. Detoxification. B. Blood filtration. C. Metabolism of nutrients. D. Production of bile. Right answer is B. Blood filtration. 33. Question. What is the function of the cornea in the human eye? A. Bending and focusing light. B. Color vision. C. Light absorption. D. Hearing. Right answer is A. Bending and focusing light. 34. Question. What is the role of the semicircular canal in the human ear? A. Hearing. B. Balance and spatial orientation. C. Sound amplification. D. Sound transmission. Right answer is B. Balance and spatial orientation. 35. Question. Which of the following is a function of the thymus gland? A. Regulation of blood sugar. B. immune system development, C. Production of insulin, D. Regulation of body temperature. Right answer is B. Immune system development. 36 Question. Which of the following is not a function of the blood? A. Transportation of oxygen and nutrients. B. Immune defense. C. Regulation of body temperature. D. Digestion of food. Right answer is D. Digestion of food. 37 Question. What is the primary function of the trachea in the human respiratory system? A. Oxygen exchange. B. Filtration of air. C. Voice production. D. Airway passage. Right answer is D. Airway passage. 38 Question. Which part of the human brain is responsible for higher cognitive functions including reasoning and problem solving? A. Medulla oblongata. B. Cerebellum. C. Cerebrum. D. Hypothalamus. Right answer is hypothalamus. What is the function of Stochern tube in the human ear? Sound amplification. B. Equalization of air pressure. C. Sound transmission. D. Hearing. Right answer is B. Equalization of air pressure. 42 Question. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating hunger, thirst, and body temperature? A. Cerebellum. B. Cerebrum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Hypothalamus. Right answer is hypothalamus. 43 Question. What is the primary function of the gallbladder in the digestive system? A. Digestion of carbohydrates. B. Storage of bile. C. Blood filtration. D. Production of gastric juice. Right answer is B. Storage of bile. 44 Question. Which of the following is not a component of the endocrine system? A. Adrenal gland. B. Thyroid gland. C. Spleen. D. Pancreas. Right answer is pancreas. D. 45 Question. What is the function of the semilunar valves in the heart? A. Prevent backflow of blood into the ventricles. B. Control the heart rate. C. Pump blood to the lungs. D. Control blood pressure. Right answer is A. Prevent backflow of blood into the ventricles. 46 Question. What is the primary function of the spleen in the human body? A. Blood filtration. B. Digestion. C. Hormone production. D. Muscle contraction. Right answer is A. Blood filtration. 47 Question. Which of the following hormone is produced by the pancreas the and regulates blood sugar levels? A. Glucagon. B. Thyroxine. C. Melatonin. D. Estrogen. Right answer is A. Glucagon. 48 Question. What is the primary function of the optic nerve in the human eye? A. Color vision. B. transmit visual signal to the brain. C. Adjust the shape of the lens. D. Control pupil size. Right answer is B. Transmit visual signal to the brain. 49. Question. Which part of the brain is responsible for coordinating voluntary muscle movement and balance? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Hypothalamus. Right answer is B. Cerebellum. 50. Question and last question. What is the primary function of the pineal gland in the human body? A. Regulation of blood pressure. B. Production of insulin. C. Regulation of sleep-wake cycle. D. Immune system development. Right answer is C. Regulation of sleep-wake cycle. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियोस अगेन।